To remove and replace the spark plugs on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. Always allow the engine to cool completely before performing this procedure. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Next, remove the cargo box to access the vehicle's engine. Then, remove the two fasteners holding the plug shield in place. After this, remove the two plug covers. Before continuing, clean out the plug wells with compressed air to prevent any loose dirt or debris from falling into the cylinders. Next, rinse the plug wells with water and dry with compressed air. Spark plug wells have drain holes built into the cylinder head to allow the water to drain out. Then, carefully loosen the spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. If needed, clean the spark plugs with electrical contact cleaner or a glass bead of spark plug cleaner only. A wire brush or coated abrasive should not be used. Next, inspect the spark plugs for the correct color. The normal insulator tip is gray, tan, or light brown, with few combustion deposits with unburnt and uneroded electrodes. This indicates the proper type and heat range for the engine and the service. The tip should not be white. A white insulator tip indicates overheating caused by an improper spark plug or incorrect throttle body adjustments. A wet fouled insulator tip is black. If it is black, this usually means excessive oil consumption, use of non-recommended oil, or poor fuel quality. Now inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the proper type. Reference your owner's manual for the recommended spark plugs. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Also, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the coil end where it connects to the spark plug. Then, reinstall the two plug covers. Before continuing, verify that the connections are properly secured, ensuring they are clicked into place. Reinstall the plug shield and torque fasteners to specification. Next, reinstall the cargo box and torque fasteners to specification. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.